sit on the rocket ship, don't ask what seat it is. Just get on. Namaste, this is Soumi Majumder, student of the very first batch of IMBA, is welcoming you all to Manipal University Jaipur. IMBA is a course which offers pragmatic subjects like business studies, organizational behavior, financial accounting, economics, as well as subjects like yoga, wellness, and Vedic management for your all-round enrichment. IMBA is such a course which is not only related to your academics but also provides you opportunities to attend various workshops, internships, and also provide you a lot of research opportunities. The college is having a captivating campus which attracts the students because of its exquisite aura. There are more than 50 student clubs which helps you to embark your hidden talent in front of the world. The coordinators are so caring, they always are up to you to help your doubts. I couldn't get excited more to welcome my fellow juniors over here.